Hello guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, I will teach you how to enable virtualization technology for laptops in Windows 10 and 11. Because some of you don't know how to enable VT as a virtualization technology in Android emulators like Gameloop, Memo emulator, LeapJoy, Nox Player emulator, then BlueStacks emulator, and that. It was the name of the app that I installed is Gameloop emulator. One day I was about to install some games games on it. The loading. No, the app stop at 98%. Do you know why it stopped at 98%? Because the app was stuck. So it could not carry the graphics driver. Or is it because I did not enable virtualization technology? Or is it because I did not update the graphics driver? Or I did not go to Windows update as security to check for updates if they are available, so I can be able to download and install. Anyway, just watch this. So guys, make sure you watch this this video carefully. This video, and follow the steps carefully to avoid skipping. So just watch it. Secondly, press the window logo button, button to shut down your PC. Press on the tab button several times, then click on the arrow down. Press enter, then press shut down. Prepare to shut down in your system. Then press the power button on. And press the ESC button several times. Look for BIOS is set up for F10, then and press it. Then go to system configuration, and then go to device configurations. Then go to virtualization technology and press the button enter. Then to enable it. Then click save. Save change. Click yes. And then click on exit. And then to save change, you click on yes. Then it will automatically restart your computer. Just wait for a few minutes and it will restart. Once it is done, you press the white button, press the Windows logo button, type Gameloop. Then they click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. As you can see now, it worked. It worked. And then let me show you the second app, Android emulator. The second app, the name of second Android emulator is a Nox Player. It also works too. It's because it's also worked. So it works. So I'm clicking on the X panel on the desktop to this one. So guys, that's how you enable to enable. That's how how to enable virtualization technology technology on laptops in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So if you have any question, don't hesitate. Drop a comment below. So I'll reply you people. So I can reply you. And don't forget to follow me on the Instagram, Eseoghene Davisin II, then on Twitter, Davisin so we can have more followers and more subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, Eseoghene Davisin II. Subscribe it. Happy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you for the next video.